Number three.
Oh, that's so many.
So all the birds, really birds, say number three.
Less than 1,000.
Okay. And I think it's time to meet some special friends of the park. Everyone, please remain seated so as to not block the way of the birds. Alright, now look up to your left and to your right, and let's welcome Gigi. Now he is here, he is the green-winged macaw, and he is the second largest species in the macaw family. And he is here, he is about 10 years old.
Alright, so with me, I have Katie. She is a self-crested cockatoo. So birds like this, they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Now you see the feathers at the top of the head. That one, that is called a crest. Hence the name self-crested cockatoo.
Now parents, they make for life and make devoted parents. They'll take advantage of abandoned tree cavities just like this one right over here to build their nests.
That's right. So what I have here are nesting materials like tree barks, dry leaves like this, and even twigs. And they would drop them into the nest. But if a nest cavity is too small, they would use young bees to enlarge them. So what are we waiting for? Let us watch these new birds in action. Alright. Kiki kids, your turn.
Good job.
And this way.
So if you want to see what it looks like from the inside, just take a look at the screen.
This screen.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Look at you.
Good job. We have Katie.
He's always Katie. So cute.
Let's just take Katie.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
There you go. And with that, can you give it up for Katie, please, as well as her wonderful trainers. Now, then you turn around. Alright, can you show Geraldine and everyone else around here how you do the rooster? Look with me now, Geraldine.
we meant by the rooster.
Yes, the rooster. Everyone, meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Now, Quincy, before we mimic other sounds, this is something I want to say to everyone. You'll catch what Quincy said. Quincy said, "Welcome to Paradise." Let's hear that one more time, Joey. Quincy, welcome them. Alright, so Quincy, you did the sound of the rooster, and you do another animal sound, and you do a sound of the very fierce cat. It's not very fierce, but alright. Okay, how about a more high-tech sound this time, and you do the sound of the telephone.
Telephone sound.
Good job, Quincy. Make it up for Quincy, everyone.
So parrots may imitate the calls and sounds made by their families. But when they mimic human sounds, they are just doing what they hear around them.
That's right. So for Quincy and Amigo's case, their families are the Mandai star.
Okay, Mandai star. Alright, it's time to hear what this yellow-named Amazon beside me has to say. So shall we start with something very simple? How about a nice hello? Wow, that was a nice and sweet hello. And not only that, he can also introduce himself. So tell everyone here your name. Amigo! Wow! Look at that one more time. Okay, tell everyone your name. Amigo! Now, Amigo, we have so many them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? Oh, did you catch that? He just asked how are you? How all of you doing today? Good? Yeah. That is nice to hear. So as you can really tell, Amigo, he's very talented, right? But guess what? He can also sing a very special song. So by any chance there anyone in the crowd celebrating your birthdays today, just raise up your hand. birthdays. Alright, we have one. Okay, two. Okay, anyone else? Okay, two only. I hope I did not miss out on anyone, yeah? Alright, I see quite a few hands up there. Well, this special song goes out to you celebrating your birthdays, okay? Amiga, you know what to do. Thank you for the birthday song by Amigo, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here at Bird Paradise.
Hi.
That's right, Geraldine. But hold on, everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. And Amigo, 1 in. Now, in a while, she would not have survived, but she was nursed back to health right here at Mandai Bird Paradise because she has a safe and permanent home with us.
Wow, it was very nice to hear. Now, did you know that hornbills, they can be found in Asia and Africa? So they are recognized by their distinctive feature over their beaks called a cast. It can just be a small fish, or it can even be big and brightly colored.
Is there anything else, Geraldine?
Anything else? Oh, yeah, bee. Yeah, so these birds, they're excellent hoppers, and in a very short time, we'll be watching Olivia do some hopping. Right, Olivia, whenever you are ready, and hoppity hop. Thank you. And up. Good job. Now, hornbills, they have three toes up front and broad soles. It gives them the strength and stability to go up and down branches. Alright, Balu, your turn.
Their tongues. Now, hornbills, they have short tongues, and they use these tongues to toss fruits back into their mouths. In fact, Olivia here, she is so agile that she can catch her prey in mid-flight. In a very short while, we'll toss the fruit high up in the air, and we'll see if Olivia can catch it, alright? On the count of three. 1, 2, and 3, let's go! And with that, we give it up for Olivia, our honorable fine hornbill.
Wow, you're a little tired with me. Good afternoon. The great white hornbills, they are the largest species of hornbills that you can find here in Southeast Asia. The body where these birds can be found
ஆண்பல்ல இதான் லார்ஜஸ்ட்
that if a hornbill will take fly over the village, they will be blessed with blood. And did you know that hornbills, they are the only flying birds with long and beautiful eyelashes? Just like that on the screen. So if you want to see them up close, look at now the way of the century. Female hornbills, they are fussy about their formulation. It has to be spacious and have a tricky so that you can sleep if they need to. Alright, it looks like she's ready for it later. When the male hornbill will bring her blood, and she will mix that with mashed fruits and feed them and dropping great a strong seal. Just like that. So, Sunny, another great high hornbill.
So now what Sunny is doing is he's getting food to feed
எடுத்து அங்கிருந்து வந்து எடுத்து
So if you're not able to see this dummy gesture, not to worry, take a look at the screen. So here we have the female hornbill. Check it out and it's like to the nest. Haven't seen it. Only if she likes it. The marshlands of Kenya, Uganda, and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. Now before we invite the expert out, we will need everyone's full cooperation. So please remain seated and keep your heads down at all times. I repeat, please remain seated and keep your hands down at all times. Now, if you're holding on to selfie sticks, please lower them down as well. All right.
Looks like we're all set to come here to meet a very special bird. It can be found in ponds, lakes, in Southern Arabia and Africa. I'm talking about our big fat pelican, bro!
உட்காரு.
Now these birds will fish with other birds and scoop up prey using their massive gills and throat pouches.
Alright, guys, whenever you are ready.
எடுத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கு. என்ன பண்ணுறது? கூப்பிடுறாரு வரமாட்டேங்குது. வருது வருது. எடுங்க 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 எடுங்க. இங்க அங்க போகணும் அது.
Please everyone, please sit down. Thank you very much. Now they are not indeed. We will respect